Hello there, in this video I'm going to cover what you need to get yourself started for gutter clearing. It's a great add-on service for your window cleaning to boost your income, and you can also upgrade your equipment to make life easier. I noticed early on that other window cleaners were providing other services like gutter unblocking, cleaning the fascia soffits and gutters, and also cleaning conservatory roofs. So I decided early on that I was going to follow suit. With my budget, I knew that I couldn't get a gutter vac, so I was going to have to buy a ladder. I did all my research, and the ladder I went for was a 3-section DIY extension ladder, and it goes up to a height of 8.46 meters. To fit on the end of the ladder, I've got a ladder stay. These are brilliant at making the ladders stable. It's got a V cutout which allows you to have the ladder leaning against the corner of buildings. Here we've got the ladder stay fitted to the top of the ladder, and also the ladder leaning to the corner of a building. The ladder stay fits onto the first 2 runs of the first section of your ladder, and once fitted, you're ready to go. It's important that you read up on how to use ladders safely. On the side of my ladder, for example, there's a yellow sticker and there's a red line. You can use the red line to make sure that the ladder's at the correct angle when leaning against a building. You're going to need a way of keeping the ladders level and to stop them from slipping. Originally I used these ladder mats. There are different types out there, but with these ones I can have 3 mats on one side, 1 on the other, for example. Once you've got them in position, all you need to do is put the ladder on top. I still use them though, because I find them handy on wet decking or also on wet grass, as it stops the ladders sinking into the ground. I brought these ladder levelers. They attach to the bottom of the ladder. They're brilliant at keeping the ladder upright when you're working on sloping ground. You can even use them when you're working on steps. Other tools you need: I've got a big bucket to show the customer everything that I've cleared out the gutters. Inside that I'll keep a black builder's bucket which I take up the ladder with me. I've got a ladder limb, and I've got some pro gutter tools. You're also going to need a pole of some sort, be it a traditional pole, or you could even use a Harris decorating pole. You'll also need these pro gutter tools. There's 4 different shapes for different gutter profiles, and they just simply screw onto the cone of the traditional pole, and you can use these to clear the gutters. I'm climbing up the ladder here with all my tools that we've mentioned. I'm going to put the ladder limb into the rung of the ladder, so it gives me 2 hands free to clear the gutter using the trad pole and the right size pro gutter tool. All you simply do is, using the pole, put the pro gutter inside the gutter, and then you slide all the moss or leaves over towards you, doing small bits at a time. This is really handy because it enables you to keep the ladder in one place rather than moving the ladder all the way around the house, and it enables you to reach over obstacles such as conservatories or other building extensions. Eventually what you'll want to do is upgrade all your gutter clearing equipment. I've got a Skyvac Industrial 85 here from Spinner-Clean. I've also got 8 Elite poles which are carbon fibre, so they're really light, and I've got a twist cuff which is an excellent feature. I've got 6 different nozzles for different occasions where they come in handy. You can also get different goosenecks. I've got 3 different types here for different occasions. I've also got a Skyvac camera and monitor so I can see what's going on from the ground. I've also brought the correct generator needed so I can power this without using the customer's electricity. It makes a lot of noise, so it also gets a lot of interest. I've got a 25 meter extension cable, and I've also got a jerry can with 5 litres of fuel. It's a brilliant system and it makes my life a lot easier. This is because it allows me to work from the ground, so once I've turned the gutter back on, I just simply grab the poles and off I go. It's brilliant at getting up all the moss or leaves and big clumps that you find inside the gutters. Definitely makes my life easier than doing it off a ladder. And you can see that it's got the camera system, so it enables me to see what's in the gutters and whether I've cleared them or not from the ground, using the monitor which clips on the bottom of the poles. If you like the video, why not give us a thumbs up? If you've got any questions, then please put them in the comments below and I'll get back to you. If you're new here, why not consider subscribing to the channel, hitting the bell icon to stay notified of any new videos. Look forward to seeing the next video. Bye for now.